Stop scrolling. This is your 5-minute Crypto Friday Digest with AI trade scenarios. Free headlines. For each one, my bias, bull, bear, or neutral. Then an AI prompt you can copy, and a clean trade plan with invalidation. The goal is not to predict. It's to use AI to think faster and understand the market structure deeper. Quick note, this is not financial advice. These are educational scenarios, not trade signals. Headline 1. Bitcoin just tagged 74.4K, then cooled near 73.7K. That matters because it's a classic range ceiling test. When price hits a fresh month high, the next move is usually violent, breakout, or rejection. Dear traders, quick update. We have a promo code for our viewers. You can find it in the description under this video. Use the special link in the description to activate the promo code and get the bonus. Bias, neutral to slightly bullish, but only if price confirms above the high. Now the AI block. I'm not asking AI to predict, I'm forcing it to map scenarios fast. Prompt on screen and in description. Copy this if you want. Given current price, key levels, and structure, map 3 scenarios: breakout, rejection, or range, with trigger, stop, and target. Here's the key idea. Breakout, I only enter after a confirmed close above the high. Rejection, if price sweeps the high and fails, I look for a short. Range, if nothing confirms, I stay inside the range with tight risk. AI gives me scenarios. The market decides which one plays out. Trade idea. I don't trade predictions. I trade triggers. Headline 2. Flows are back. CoinShares reports $1.06 billion of inflows into digital asset products last week. Bitcoin took $793 million, about 75%, and total assets under management rose to $140 billion. Bias, bullish for flows, neutral for price. Flows support the floor. They don't guarantee a straight line up. Also important, even short Bitcoin products saw inflows. That means the market is still split. AI block. This time, I want a flow-based playbook. Prompt on screen and in the description. Copy this if you want. Using inflow data, positioning, and structure. Map 2 approaches: trend follow and hedged long, with risk rules and invalidation. Here's the key idea. Trend follow, I only stay in the trade while price holds structure and momentum. Hedged long, I keep exposure, but protect it if the market shows weakness. Flows tell me not to fight the market, but they don't tell me where to enter. I still need structure, confirmation, and risk control. Trade idea, I either stay small and follow the trend, or I sit out. No structure, no trade. Headline 3. UK stablecoin rules. Reuters says the Bank of England is open to revising proposed rules for pound-peg stablecoins. The debate is about strict backing rules, including a proposal to hold 40% of backing assets at the central bank, plus temporary holding caps, £20,000 for individuals, $10 million for businesses. Bias, neutral. This is not an instant pump headline, but it matters because stablecoin rules change liquidity expectations. AI block, map impact and give scenarios, not prophecy. Prompt on screen. Copy this if you want. It's also in the description. Summarize the rule change, then map 3 scenarios: risk on, risk off, or no impact, with what to watch and what invalidates the idea. Here's the key idea. Risk on. If clarity boosts confidence, I watch for higher lows and continuation. Risk off. If rules tighten liquidity, I expect volatility and failed moves. No impact. If the market ignores it, I stay focused on structure and flows. Regulation doesn't move the market by itself. Reaction does. Trade idea. I don't trade the headline. I trade the reaction with tight risk. AI is a tool. It helps you optimize your trading and think in scenarios, but it's not perfect, and it can be wrong. If you want to start trading, we have a special promo code for YouTube users. Check the description for details and bonuses. Subscribe to the channel. We post new digest every Friday, plus strategies and market breakdowns. And check out our other videos to go deeper. See you next week.